Classification of metal. So metal is classified into two categories: ferrous and non-ferrous material. So the ferrous is classified into cast iron, steel and cast iron material. So steel is classified into plain carbon and alloy steel. Plain carbon means low, medium and high carbon steel. Alloy steel means low alloy steel and high alloy steel. So low alloy steel AISA steel and HSLA steel, American Iron Steel Institute, and HLA high strength low alloy steel. High alloy steel is tool steel, die steel and stainless steel. The cast iron means grey, white, chilled, malleable, noodle and alloy cast iron material. So non-ferrous material means aluminum, copper, zinc, titanium, vanadium. This is the non-ferrous material. So classification of metal. So metal is classified ferrous and non-ferrous material. Ferrous is classified steel, cast iron material. Steel is have plain carbon and alloy steel classification. So tool, medium, low, medium and high carbon steel. Alloy steel, low alloy steel and high alloy steel. Low alloy steel means AISA steel, HSLA steel. High alloy steel, tool steel, die steel and stainless steel. Cast iron, grey cast iron, white cast iron, chill, malleable, nodular and alloy cast iron material. So non-ferrous means aluminum, copper, chromium, zinc, titanium, vanadium. This is the non-ferrous material. Other than carbon material is the non-ferrous material. Thank you.